I, I, I told him, I said, Lord, the, don't you know the murals on your walls worth more than any building you could put up there, because Pamela worked on those murals. You know, they had a parade in this town for Pam. Yeah, yeah. She loved this town.
So Pamela was an artist.
She
She did the murals and all the paintings and
she has work on. She has paintings in the museum in Los Angeles. She has the paintings in the museum in Berlin. She has art all over Germany.
And they murdered her. And she knew they had done something, but she didn't know that they were murdering her, did they?
What?
When they flew over, she didn't know that that spray was going to result in her death.
Well, I think she did.
And she stayed in the house, or it was already too late?
Well, hell, after you sprayed, you know,
But all the animals, they didn't die right away, did they?
It took about 2 weeks. It took her 2 weeks to 16 days too. 2 days she was sick, 14 days she was dead.
Did anybody do an autopsy?
No.
So much to do, and so few people that will take any initiative. People are like, it's like waking the dead.
Wilbur,
Yeah.
how long did the jury trial go on? The jury trial, how long did it last?
4 days.
And in that,
5 days. Well, 5th day was nothing.
did the jury get to see the porno film they made with your daughter? Did the jury get to see the porno film the CPS worker Larry
No.
Lawson made? They never saw it.
No.
And they still awarded you.
But we did this on their records. See? And her confession to CSD was, we filed.
Whose confession?
Hazel Species.
Hazel Spees' confession.
She was explaining to CSD, Child Protection Agency, how she got into this. Larry Lawson told her to shoot a video, get her to do a sexy dance and shoot a video of it, see? Well, and that's what she did. She got him to take her clothes off and dance and what have you, you know.
And who told her to masturbate in front of the video camera? Was that Hazel?
Spears.
Hazel or Larry Lawson?
Hazel and Larry Lawson, yes.
They were both there when they made the tape.
No, Larry Lawson wasn't there. He told her to do it.
So she did it on orders of a CPS worker.
That's right.
Oh, God.
And they know that.
They know that, and he's still employed.
Working. And she is too. She's still a foster parent.
Does that seem wrong to you?
In prison.
Well, hey, I've been in court yelling about that so many times, and you know, I've been jailed 13 times.
To defend myself in this case.
You're not charged with anything,
I just
ma'am.
wanted to know. I'm leaving.
You may be, but today you're not.
Okay.
He's a prisoner. You can't touch him.
I touched him. I kissed him.
Excuse me,
I'm leaving.
sir. I have not been convicted of anything.
You're in jail, are you not?
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
You can pass things back and forth. People don't touch prisoners. The sheriff has a
I
responsibility.
kissed him. I'm leaving, okay? You've
You're
done
not
enough
leaving
to our
fast
family
enough.
body. You have destroyed my family body, and we're done.
Come on.
They're not filing a motion for summary judgment. That's going to come up on the 22nd.
Okay. All right. Love you too.
That's all on video, ma'am.
I'm glad. I hope you do. I love him.
Parties prepared to proceed on the contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you ready on the contempt?
First off, I want to object to the shackles. I haven't been convicted of anything. I'm here, and I stand here in shackles, sir. And you know.
You can write. Can't you write?
Yes, I can write. Well,
Go ahead. That's the way we do.
well, you do what?
Prisoners that are in court that want to take notes and write.
You mean?
We release one shackle. We don't unshackle you. This is a proper procedure. You can write. Give him a yellow pad and a pencil.
Did you need the hearing aid device?
Yeah, you can write.
I can't get my hearing aid on, sir.
We can do that for you.
All right, would you?
Volume is right here. Okay?
Thank you.
Hell, I've been jailed 13 times. Pam was jailed 12 times. She never had a ticket, one little ticket for a tail light out in the first 42 years of her life. And that's all. And then she met Brother Will. And for a while that was okay, but she got reading my records. You know, they tried to flood you to quit.
They tried what?
They tried to flood you with paperwork.
Oh, yes.
So, anyway, I let her go through my papers, you see, and she came to this report, and so she read it, and then being Pam, she read the report as it went to a different agent. Same report, it's supposed to be, you understand, but it was different. But then she read the second one, you know, and then she read the third, and the fourth, and the fifth. All these were different on the same event, on the same thing. And the one went to the judge, said one thing, one went to the governor, said another, one went to the, they all were different. And the numbers on top were all different. See, they make out a report, and they take that one off and send it to her, and throw those away, and make out another report, the right color, you understand, but a different number up on top.
So you got that judgment about 1998?
Yep.
Did you ever renew the judgment?
Ever what?
Renew the judgment.
I got filed so many times on it.
Who do you have to collect against? The state of Oregon?
Yes.
And they've never sent you a check?
Never sent me a check.
And they just ignore you?
I ignore them. Well,
Do you think the jury knows you've been ignored?
the jury not.
Do you think the jury that was impaneled, that gave you that judgment, do you think they know you've been ignored?
No, they probably don't. 500 million. $500 million. I got an extra set of zeros on there. You
Oh,
see.
I see.
That's how that
Well,
happened.
5 million.
And they gave it to you.
Yeah, well, the jury did, yeah.
What were the charges the jury convicted the state of Oregon of?
Racketeering, collusion and conspiracy and fraud, child abuse, yeah, and conspiracy and fraud, production of pornography.
All these things the
All
state
these
of
things.
Oregon was
Yeah,
convicted of, and you haven't
I convicted them.
You convicted them. The jury
Pamela
did.
convicted them.
Right. Who was your attorney? Pamela? Was she? Did Pamela argue it? Who
No,
was-
we did that ourselves.
So you and Pamela.
Well, in the first
Did the
place,
argument.
if you got an attorney, yeah, really, attorneys are not lawyers. There were no attorneys.
Okay, so you and Pamela yourself argued the case to the jury.
That's right. We had Roger Hill, but he wasn't